Have a good one. Let's shift focus now to the commodity markets. Manisha is joining in. Manisha, what's the one commodity that you're looking at this morning?
Morning, Sonia. I'm looking at the zinc prices. We fell nearly 4% on Friday, but when you look at the fundamentals, those clearly are positive. But the kind of sell-off that we've seen in various asset classes, including commodities, has been majorly macro. So what we are reacting to right now is the Chinese services numbers that has come in weaker than what the street was expecting. You have the US non-farm payroll data where the markets are reacting to, and the strength in US dollar also continues to weigh onto the market. This week, it is going to be the US inflation numbers, China inflation, and trade data that we will wait for. In the meanwhile, when you look at the individual fundamentals, well, the LME now has announced limiting Russian zinc availability on its exchange in sense of warehousing and trading on the exchange as well. And you have a third zinc smelter now looking at a shutdown in the western of Europe. This one really comes in from Glencore yet again. This is going to be the second Glencore plant that we are looking at in sense of shutdown. So the markets should be taking premium because of that. And that is happening actually in the spot markets there. So when you look at the Glencore, which is going to curtail production at the Nottingham plant in Germany, markets are looking at strong support on the physical markets because of that there. If you look at this plant, this produces 165,000 tons per annum of refined zinc. So there is some more zinc that is going off the market in the physical markets there. Overall as well, when you look at other plants in the international markets, Glencore's Porto Esme smelter in Italy has seen some shutdowns. You also have seen Nyrstar plant shut down in Netherlands as well. So when you look at the overall numbers into the market, we are looking at a bigger chunk of Europe production going out, which is 399,000 tons. And out of Europe, which is majorly China and US, nearly 240,000 tons also seems to be going out. Inventories have continued to decline as well. When you look at the overall refined output, in the first 7 months of this year, that is down by nearly 2.5%, 2.4% as well. That is the view coming in from International Lead and Zinc report there. The unwrought zinc exports have continued to decline, especially from Russia. 2017 was 40,000. Last year was just about 622 there. Overall inventories have continued to decline. When you look at the LME numbers, we are trading at a multi-year lows in sense of inventories. And the zinc inventories also are trading at the lowest level of 2021. When you look at the prices itself, it is a big range that zinc clearly has seen until now. We did see 16-year highs in the month of April at around 4,498. Currently just about holding $3,000 per ton there. And that's exactly the forecast that we have seen come in from various banks and brokerages as well. If you look at Macquarie, they're looking at 3,600 this year, and then even lower zinc prices next year. And the lower zinc prices is what Citi also seems to be predicting for next year. So yes, much lower prices expected.
All right, Manisha, thank you very much for that. Now, the second quarter earnings season gets underway today with IT giant TCS set to report its second quarter numbers. Rima is here to give us a quick preview. Rima.